REOLINK FE-P security camera, smart human detection, PoE setup, and more. Ever felt frustrated with blind spots, missed activity alerts, or clunky camera setups? You're not alone. Many homeowners and small business owners struggle with incomplete indoor surveillance. Drop a comment if this sounds familiar, because the REOLINK FE-P 6-megapixel fisheye camera may be the solution that finally gives you full coverage, effortless monitoring, and peace of mind. Late-night monitoring, office theft concerns, or simply wanting to keep an eye on your home can feel stressful and time-consuming. Imagine if there was a way to see everything clearly without installing multiple cameras or juggling notifications. The REOLINK FE-P promises total panoramic coverage, accurate alerts, and easy installation, all without the headache of complicated setups. Meet the REOLINK FE-P, a 6-megapixel PoE fisheye indoor security camera designed to replace multiple traditional cameras with a single unit. Mounted on a ceiling, wall, or desk, it provides a full 360 degrees panoramic view with sharp, high-resolution footage. Advanced dual-ping technology converts fisheye images into multiple virtual views, dual, quad, cylinder, or hemispheric, so you can focus on specific areas like entrances or safes. Smart human detection ensures you're only alerted when a person is present, cutting false notifications from pets or shadows. Two-way audio allows real-time communication, perfect for talking to employees or checking in on visitors remotely. With PoE setup, a single Ethernet cable handles power and data, simplifying installation and reducing cable clutter. One small business owner shared that after installing FE-P, monitoring the entire sales floor became effortless. Bonus tip: switching between panoramic views on the app is like controlling multiple cameras from one feed. Night vision keeps your property secure in total darkness, giving full coverage around the clock. The benefits of REOLINK FE-P go beyond just coverage. Efficiency, peace of mind, and responsiveness all improve immediately. Experts note that it drastically reduces installation complexity and cost while delivering crisp 6-megapixel detail. Influencers highlight the versatility of panoramic display modes, making it easy to monitor multiple areas simultaneously. Users rave about the intuitive PoE setup. One cable, power, and data combined, no hassle. Imagine checking your office or living room from your phone. Every corner visible, no blind spots, and alerts only for real human activity. The built-in siren adds extra security, while two-way audio lets you communicate without being there physically. Curious which feature would make your life easier? Comment below. The tactile experience of switching between dual, quad, and hemispheric views, the clarity of night vision, and the confidence from smart alerts all enhance the sense of control. Even skeptics acknowledge that FE-P offers professional-grade surveillance at a consumer-friendly price. From home lobbies to retail floors, this camera provides a seamless, powerful solution that simplifies monitoring while enhancing security, making it a must-have for anyone serious about indoor surveillance. Limited stock. Join thousands of homeowners and small business owners who've upgraded their security with REOLINK FE-P. Don't wait. Secure yours today and experience 360 degrees coverage, 6-megapixel clarity, smart human detection, and PoE simplicity. Click now and unlock a secret benefit: easy app control with multiple panoramic views for total peace of mind. Ready to see everything clearly, communicate instantly, and protect your space effortlessly? Don't just watch. Jump in and make your indoor security smarter today.